Hello and welcome to another episode of Ewell Acres. Today we're going to go ahead and teach you how to light a smoker. Let's get started. Now when you're looking at smokers are probably one of the most important tools that you need to help you get started. As you can see, we've got ourselves a nice little campfire going. We are enjoying the smoker on this cool weather. But when you're looking at a smoker, what a smoker does is it provides a plume of smoke inside of the hive. It helps to drive the bees away from the entrance or the entrances to make it a little bit easier for you to work, but it also helps to mask the pheromones between the bees to help calm them down a little bit so they're not able to easily communicate, giving you a few extra minutes to work in the hive. And as you can tell, we've got it going nice and good. So this is what a smoker should look like when it's going nice and strong. So even though it is currently going, we are going to pretend like it's not actually starting. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab some burlap sack. And you can use a couple different materials. You can use pine needles, you can use burlap sack, you can use some wood pellets. There are many different materials. All you're looking for is something dry that will create a lot of nice, good, cool smoke and big plumes of it. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and light it. My personal favorite way of doing it is just having a blowtorch. Now this is something I just carry in my beekeeping tools. It's easy. All you got to do is screw on the propane. You do the little clicker on the hole and you're able to light your material. It makes it really easy to work with so you're not dealing with matches and all that other material. So let's go ahead and light her up. We're lighting our material. We're putting the burlap sack on fire. Now if you're dealing with something like burlap, you can light it outside, or if I didn't already have the smoker itself going and going strong, then I would have taken the material, piled it inside the smoker, and then put it into the smoker itself and lit it. So this, we're just kind of refueling. We're getting, and as you can tell, a little bit goes a long way to really give us a tremendous amount of smoke. And that's all it is. A little puff puff to continue to push the bellows so it continues to get some oxygen, and that's how you light a smoker. It's relatively straightforward. So let us know in the comments below. Did you like how I started it? What's your personal favorite style of smoker fuel that you like using? Let us know in the comments below. Once again, we are so glad that you joined us. We are grateful to have you here. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to subscribe, click on that bell for notifications, and we look forward to seeing you next time.